As part of the Research Skills for Engineering Students tutorial, learn how to search the Compendex Engineering Village database. Note that all links referred to in this video can be found in the description below on YouTube and in the tutorial guide. Compendex Engineering Village is a database that contains over 30 million records of published material in the field of engineering, including journal articles, conference proceedings, technical standards, and more. As an engineering student, Compendex Engineering Village should be on your radar as an excellent place to search for information. You can think of it as already filtered to the field of engineering and a place where you can quickly and effectively find excellent scholarly sources. UBC Library pays for access to the Compendex database, so you will need to log in with your campus-wide login. From the library website, click on the Indexes and Databases tab above the search box, which switches the search to a database lookup. Type Compendex, and once the results load, click Compendex Engineering Village to connect. You will then need to log in with your campus-wide login, or CWL. A second option is to install the library browser extension, which will help to connect you if you do a web search for Compendex. The browser extension is a great resource to make sure you obtain free access through UBC Library to the information you need. Once you're logged in, you have a unique interface to work with, so we'll take a quick tour. You have a search box that allows you to use the Boolean operators explained in our Design a Better Search video, and you can expand the search to clearly and easily build out your search results. With a sample search for earthquake or seismicity and bridges, we return just under 20,000 results. They are sorted by relevance as the default, but you can revise this to look at the most recent publications first if that is useful to the topic that you're exploring. You can also make use of the various filters on the left-hand side of the screen. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to select journal article and articles published within the last 5 years. These filters reduce our results significantly. At this point, we want to highlight the controlled vocabulary as one of the most powerful aspects of searching within Compendex. Standardized terminology is used to describe the topics covered in each source. This structured organization allows you to confidently search for concepts that have multiple synonyms and spellings. On the left-hand side, you have a filter option for controlled vocabulary, and if I click on the View More link within this filter, my entire results list is displayed based on the subtopics that are found within it. You can then select additional terms to either limit to or exclude them from your result list. When conducting a new search, you also have search terms show up right underneath the search box as suggested terms. These terms are clickable, allowing you to easily join concepts with the word "and" to make your search results more specific. When you click on a document title, you're presented with a full overview of the source, including all of the information that goes into a citation, an abstract, as well as a series of linked terms to help you expand or narrow your search. The controlled terms correspond to the controlled vocabulary already discussed, and the uncontrolled terms are keywords provided by the authors at the time of publication. On both this detailed view screen, as well as from our result list, we have a yellow UBC eLink button, which helps you to link through to the full text if UBC Library has access to a resource. In this example, full text is available, and I would then click on the blue Full Text Online button in order to connect to the article. However, Compendex contains information about millions of documents, and not all of them are digitally available through the library. Sometimes the UBC eLink will take you to a screen like this that reads, "Sorry, not found." First, click on the Library Catalog button to determine if UBC has a print copy, and if no results are returned, use the second link to request a copy for free through our interlibrary loan service, and the library will obtain access on your behalf and communicate with you through email. Finally, returning to our result list, there is an option to select items by clicking the checkbox next to the title, and export the citation information from Compendex to a citation manager such as Mendeley or Zotero or another tool of that sort. Keeping track of the information you cite is very important, and these tools are designed to help you with that task.